Hi, good morning. I'm pence, Optimisation Desk Manager here at npower, and welcome to today's market report. Okay, let's start with the headlines then. We've got gas and power markets opening relatively flat this morning to last night's close. I think the market's still awaiting a decision that we should hear more about today from Groningen in Holland, and the impact of any halting of gas flows, potential halting of gas flows. And in power and gas this morning, we've got a very healthy supply picture. Okay, those are the headlines. If you do need to contact us, please do so on the email address provided. For more information, please continue to listen. Okay, let's start with the gas and power markets on the near term then. As I mentioned, relatively flat open to last night's close. Markets really awaiting further news from Groningen on potential cuts there to gas flows. I think we've already had it confirmed that there'll be no halting of production. However, the extent of any kind of pulling back of gas flows is not yet known, and we're awaiting that court decision. And I think a lot of scepticism about what the use of the word drastic meant from one of the judges in recent times. So keep an eye on that story as we go through today, and we'll keep you updated. In terms of supply, long gas system at the moment forecast to close around about 18 MCM long, mostly due to a fallback in demand, so demand slipping below 200 MCM today. And that's despite high exports through the interconnector to Europe, and also poor flows through Langled pipeline due to that Norwegian maintenance, which actually is due to start coming back online stronger towards the back end of this week. Another news in the gas market, we've seen a court in Japan rule that there's to be a delay in restarting two of those nuclear reactors impacted obviously by Fukushima, which isn't going to have too much of an impact, I don't think, on prices given how well supplied we are globally with gas at the moment. But again, just something to keep an eye on there in Japan. In terms of power, again, very comfortable supply margins today. We've seen CCGT demand start to fall in line with just lower demand generally. We've also got French interconnector capacity back up to 2 gigs, and that's on import mode today. And we've also got very healthy renewable feed today as well. Wind production due to be around 5 gigawatts at the peak, so relatively healthy there, but due to drop off later in the week, so do keep an eye on that. In terms of looking further afield, the curve, not a lot of trading going on this morning, especially in power. Again, same as the near curve, relatively flat. We have seen in recent times the curve getting nudged around with movements in the oil markets, and I think that's due to the lack of fundamental movements on the near curve, but also the fact that oil really is in the headlines at the moment with everything that's going on there. Oil up a little bit this morning, seeing it around about $58.39 a barrel at the moment. EIA have announced that they could see a reduction in production on the US shale plants in May. However, just drop in the ocean compared to their current production levels, and also those really high oil exports from China as well. Okay, so just to recap then, markets flat, awaiting that key news from Groningen today, but otherwise a really healthy supply picture. Okay, that's it for today. Have a great day. We'll see you same time again tomorrow. Cheers and goodbye.